love that chicken from Popeyes.
Oh yeah, best biscuits in town, baby. Make sure you get the hydro, cause you gonna die.
Oh shit. Thing hard. Solid as a rock. That ball for the dog. Oh no, 911.
Look out below, hey, look out below, hey, look out below, look out below, hey, look out below, hey, look out below, look out below, hey, look out below.
What is up, Team Savage? It's your boy J7 tonight. And you tune into another dumb video. Dumb! Lord have mercy. Listen, bro, I just came back from Antarctica with my aunt's jacket. You know what I'm saying? Because I couldn't find nothing to wear, so I had to put on this.
Shit. Nigga mustn't have been that cold.
You don't know.
Son.
And we got my boy.
Strictly good, man. You already know what's going on, man.
Whole gang in the building. And listen, y'all, today we will be doing. I think I saw this before. I probably did. That's where I got the idea from. But today we will be doing the ghettoest Popeyes biscuit eating challenge, and I'm about to whip this nigga ass. Listen, bro, Vaughn is the he was the 2017 champion of the corn dog eating contest, and he was stuffing them dogs in his mouth, if you know what I'm saying. Oh wait,
oh
my
no,
bad, my bad, bro, my bad.
Put some respect on that, son, for real.
Bro, you're not gonna beat me, bro. Keep it G, who y'all think gonna win? Spend my Team Savage in the chat, you know what I'm saying?
Man, you already know what's going on, man. Team Go, man. Team Go versus Team Sav.
Yeah, them biscuits smell kind of good. Oh, my bad, bro. Alright, listen, y'all. The rules is the first one to eat the most biscuits in 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
In 3 minutes will be declared the champion. You cannot drink any water, any orange juice, none of that BS.
None of that sliding, cause I already know he gonna make up all kind of excuses. Once he see me throwing the biscuits back, bro, that's ass.
Throw them biscuits back. Oh no, dude. Oh no. Hey, bro, it's too early in the morning for this, bro. I ain't got time to be playing around with you, bro, cause I'm about to whip you. Hey, bro, I know these biscuits about to be soggy as fuck, but you know what I'm saying, I don't care.
Sav, man, I know you're not touching all on these biscuits without washing your hands, man.
Hold up. And we got the honey in this beef, nigga.
You already know the going on, man.
But you can put stuff on your biscuits such as honey, syrup, or any other sticky fragrance.
Fragrance?
I mean,
substance?
Yeah. Sticky fragrance, if you know what I mean.
Look how nervous he is, man.
No.
This dude's shaking in his grandma jacket right now, bro.
No, sticky fragrance, if you know what I mean. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay.
Oh, no, Sav.
Like I said, y'all, the rules is first one to eat the most biscuits in 3 minutes, which I will beat Vaughn, will be declared a champion. No water, no orange juice. You can use honey or any sticky substance.
That's fine with me, man.
Oh, no. Okay. Okay, look.
Come on, man.
There's another rule though. We're gonna play rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins, best 2 out of 3, gets an advantage. So yeah. So say like if I beat one in the rock, paper, scissors, I already ate 1 biscuit. So I'll put 1 biscuit on the side. Would already have 1 to Vaughn's 0. If that makes sense. You know what I'm saying?
That's cause he's so scared, man.
Who's scared, boy?
Little does he know.
Hey, boy, stop playing, boy. You ready to play?
I am the hood champ of rock, paper, scissors. Come on.
God, please help me.
Is it on shoot?
Yeah.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, shoot. Alright, bam. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Woo. Yes! Let's go! 1, 2, 3, shoot! Oh!
Let's go, man.
fucking bit.
Hood champ, man. Y'all already know what's going on, bro.
Okay, so Vaughn got.
Baby, let me put
half
my
a-
biscuit to the side.
Vaughn got a half a. Hold up, there's a new rule change. Vaughn got a half a biscuit advantage. So he's at a half a biscuit right now.
Just so y'all know, I ain't cheating, man.
He's at a half.
Even though
biscuit right
Sav trying to cheat his ass
Oh!
off her. You!
now. Oh, stop playing with me, boy.
Man, it's good.
All right, I'm about to set the time right now. About to set the time right now. I'm kind of feeling this jacket. Hey, shout out to my aunt, bro, cause you beat for this jacket. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga.
Like I said, first one, 2-3 minutes will be declared the champion. Vaughn got a half a biscuit advantage. So
I have a biscuit. Alright.
I'm about to bust up this honey. I ain't
Look,
talking Winnie the
man.
Pooh.
This
Ooh,
your side.
Lord,
This
I-
your side. This my side.
Oh Lord, I love honey. Hey, Vaughn, bro, you look like you make pizzas for a living. You look like you be in New York. Hey Mario, you know what I'm saying? What's up with the pizza? You know what I'm saying? Serve it up with the sauce and stuff. Luigi looking ass.
You got on a whole Rotolo's hat right now, bro.
What that's supposed to mean?
You worked at Rotolo's.
So what?
But I'm the nigga that look like Mick Pizza.
Yeah, cause you look like a Italian. It is me, Mario. You know, whip up the sauce. Hey, yo, Javante, come over here. You know what I'm saying? You freaking jack off. You know,
Alright,
you
man.
say some stuff like that.
Look, man.
All right,
No, enough of that stalling, man.
All right.
You just
I am kind of scared, though, to keep it G. Cause I'm a real nigga. Don't get it twisted. Alright, you ready?
let's go.
It's about to be done. Boy, I'm about to be choking on them biscuits. He gonna need that water. Lord have
You
mercy.
get that spit up.
Oh no, dude. Hey,
Are
bro.
you good, son?
I'm about to eat my biscuits in the corner, bro.
They go in the corner because that's where you gonna be when you lose.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, this is bad as fuck.
Boo! I'm saying drop, bro. I might use some more. I might use some more. Boo! I need that honey. I mean, hey,
Whoa!
we 16 seconds in.
Why is it so rough? Why this is dry as fuck, bro?
Hey, bro, I can't eat this. Oh, got honey. Got honey, bro. Boo. Too near. Stuff it flat, bro.
Let me take it on my honey, son. You got. Yeah, sure.
35 seconds in.
Oh no,
I
son.
won. I got one. God damn. I'm gonna have a swallow.
Oh, honey's the key. Honey's the key. Oh,
I'm on my second bone. Still got one. Still got half.
What you mean, nigga?
Oh, you got one then.
This is my second one.
No, you eat that half right there, nigga.
I got
Oh, fuck, it's hard to swallow. Damn. Hey. I'm a dog, bro. And mama,
I think I'm about to pass out.
mama, if you're watching this, I love you. I swear to God.
Hey, bro. I can't. Hey, man, you gotta eat that, man. Man, y'all Slab cheating his fucking ass off.
That's
Like,
two.
oh no, Slab, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man.
we a minute 30 in.
That's it? No.
Yeah. Well, this thing making my mouth now.
Hey, boss, I swear to God, bro, my throat finna collapse, bro.
Hey, boy, draw that thing in the honey, boy. Pooh.
Bro, honey the key, bro. I'm telling y'all.
I'm beating your ass right now. Look, I got two.
Man.
2 minutes in.
I'm on number 3, nigga.
But you ate that, bro? I ain't even assuming you ate that, bro. What the fuck? Alright, damn, bro. Well,
Man, put the honey on that, man. I'm telling you, you're not finna eat that without no honey, son.
Yeah, you right, bro.
Hot dog eating champ. I swallow everything.
Oh no,
Oh
bro.
no, son. I ain't mean like that, y'all.
$2.50. Hey, bro, I don't know, bro. I think I can finish this, bro.
Come on, Fab, man.
Oh, I threw up. Oh, no.
That's it.
Ah.
Come on, man. Good Fab, man. Good Fab, man. Come on, Fab, man.
Hey, bro.
Come on, Fab, man.
I'm playing with me, bro.
How you feeling, bro?
I feel like nothing, bro. I feel sick. Bro, I got biscuit all stuck in my teeth, bro. How many you finish off with, bro?
4.
Cap, boy.
Bye.
Cap.
Because I had that first biscuit.
Cap, boy.
I had that first biscuit. It was a half a biscuit, so I counted as one. I ate half that biscuit. You go back and watch the video. I ate 3 more full biscuits with that honey on there, son. You still got a whole biscuit and a half right there.
Boy, I ate 2, bro.
You still lost.
You eat 4, bro.
Bro, we can play this back, bro.
So you said, I'm gonna play it back, bro. So you saying you stuck a whole biscuit in your mouth and you ate?
Nigga, you was too focused on putting that biscuit to the side, thinking like they wasn't gonna see that. I'm gonna let it be known.
Alright, bro.
Man, look, bro.
Whatever, he won. I really don't care. I gotta get these biscuits out of my damn teeth.
I'm finna die, bro. I could just imagine what's gonna be like coming out the other side.
Bro, grab me some milk.
What about that splash, bro?
That'll do.
Come on. I ain't finna have you dying on me, son.
Oh. Listen, bro. If y'all enjoyed this video and y'all want to see us do another eating challenge to something else, make sure you hit that like button, spam up the comments, share it with your people, your mama, your auntie, your grandma, your third cousin, your fourth cousin that you might be having, you know what, with. And yeah, and
Look,
of course, subscribe to become a part of Team Savage.
Come on, man, cause you know that man is savage, man. Come on, man, stop stirring, man.
Oh, yeah.
Hit that subscribe button,
And
bro.
go subscribe to my boy Vaughn. His link will be in the bio.
Oh yeah, man. Make sure y'all hit that sub button, bro,
On the
for
road
real.
to 1,000 subs. I love y'all. If he a savage, I'm a savage. Cause you a what? Savage. Dumb. See y'all next video.
Out below, hey, look out below, hey, look out below, look out below, hey, look out below, hey, look out below, look out below, hey, look out below.